Planet, if you've updated your iPhone to iOS 26, this video is a must-watch. While Apple has added many powerful new features, some of the default settings can drain your battery, Planet, slow down your phone, or even risk your privacy. So today, I'll show you the most important iOS 26 settings you need to turn off right now to make your iPhone faster, safer, Planet, and more efficient. Let's start with the first one, location services. This setting allows apps to track your location even when you're not using them. Planet, constant GPS tracking uses a lot of battery and gives away unnecessary personal data. Go to settings of privacy and security to location services and check the list of apps. Planet, turn off location access for apps that don't need it or choose while using the app instead of always. Next, turn off background app refresh. Planet, this feature allows apps to refresh their data even when you're not using them, wasting both battery and mobile data. To fix this, go to settings, general background app refresh, Planet, and turn it off for unnecessary apps or completely off if you prefer better battery life. Now let's move to analytics and data sharing. By default, Planet, Apple collects diagnostic data and usage information to improve your experience, but you don't really need to share that. Planet, go to settings of privacy and security, analytics and improvements, and turn off share iPhone analytics, improve Siri and dictation, and share with app developers. Planet, this step protects your privacy and stops Apple from collecting unnecessary info. Another key setting is significant locations. Believe it or not, your iPhone quietly keeps a log of all the places you visit. To disable it, go to settings, privacy and security, go location services, system services, significant locations, Planet, and switch it off. This one change alone improves privacy drastically. Next, turn off personalized ads. Apple says these are private, but they still use your activity to target ads. Planet, go to settings, a privacy and security, gay Apple advertising, and toggle off personalized ads. You'll still get ads, but they won't track your behavior. One more battery drainer is push email fetch. When your iPhone constantly checks for new emails, it drains power quickly. Go to settings, mail and accounts, defetch new data, Planet, and turn off push. Set it to fetch manually or every 15 minutes instead to extend battery life. Don't forget about automatic downloads and app updates. Planet, while automatic updates can be convenient, they often happen at the wrong time, using up data and slowing your phone. Go to settings, App Store, Planet, and turn off automatic downloads and app updates. You can always update apps manually when connected to Wi-Fi. Now, for one final tip, reduce motion and animations. Planet, if you're using an older iPhone or want a faster feel, go to settings, gay accessibility, go motion, and turn on reduce motion. This minimizes visual effects, Planet, making your iPhone feel snappier while saving battery. By turning off these iOS 26 settings, you'll notice a clear improvement in your battery life, privacy, overall performance. Apple's default settings are designed for convenience, but not necessarily for efficiency or security. So take a few minutes today to make these changes. Planet, and your iPhone will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more iPhone and iOS 26 tips. Planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.